Hi, Karun.
Hi,
What's up?
a puzzle box.
Okay, I think this is your nth puzzle. Looks so interesting. Can you try and solve the puzzle?
Yes.
Okay, go for it.
So you have to take this out. This is actually a key.
Yeah,
So you take that. You have to just turn it and take it out.
take it out.
Then you have to
Okay.
put it in this green space here.
Okay.
You have to just put it like that and press it a little bit, and this thing comes out. And you have to just do that. The other key comes out, and this is a tile.
Yeah.
Then you have to take this and you have to push the thing like that. But it still doesn't come out, so you have to just push it with the other tile.
Okay.
So it
The
just
second key
comes out.
Okay.
So you can take out both,
Yeah.
and now you have to just put that down.
Okay. Now you want?
So now you have to just push it, and there you go, 500 cash.
Oh, that was superb, Karun. Brilliant. 9.9 rating from my side.
There's
Good
the
job.
cash.
Just give a closer look at this.
And the circle one was blocking the money to come out, and this gold one was blocking the coin to come out.
Okay, it's a two key.
Yes.
This has two keys, right?
Yeah. Double
Yeah, it's
safe.
like multi-factor authentication.
Yes.
Super, Karun. Good job. Bye.
Bye.